Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about a high-level skill called listening. Quick question before I get started. Do you think you're a good listener? Most people say yes, but honestly, most of us aren't. We're not really listening. We're just waiting for our turn to talk. True listening isn't about staying silent. It's about where you direct your attention. When people listen, their mind usually is doing one of three things, and these are very common. They're either preparing for their next response, judging what's being said, or simply waiting for their chance to jump in. That's not listening. I call it mental multitasking, and it kills real connection. Real listening has one clear goal, not agreement, not winning the argument, but genuine understanding. When someone feels truly understood, something magic happens. Defensiveness drops. They share more information, and trust builds quickly. Here's a powerful paradox. When you listen to respond, you're trying to control the conversation. When you listen to understand, you actually control the outcome. That's very important. I'll say it again. When you listen to respond, you're trying to control the conversation. When you listen to understand, you actually control the outcome. Listening isn't passive, it's an active, high-level skill. It's one of the strongest tools in leadership, negotiating, and building influence. Master it and people will open up to you in ways they never planned to do. As Stephen Covey wisely put in The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, most people do not listen with the intent to understand, they listen with the intent to reply. If you can shift that habit, and you can watch your conversations and your results transform in a positive way. If this hit home, drop a comment. What's one situation where listening to understand changed everything for you? Or what's the biggest mistake while listening that you caught yourself making? I love to hear and discuss it in the comments. Drop me a line. Oh, and one last thing before I let you go. My wife Amy's got this great thing going on called Focused. It's her own deal. It's all about women leading confidently and keeping relationships healthy while building success. Super aligned with the intentional communication we cover here. If you're curious, you can head to her website or her YouTube channel, and I'll put the links in the comment. But thanks for watching, and definitely hit the subscribe button, drop me a comment, share with someone who you think could benefit from this, and definitely turn on all your notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Continue communicating like a pro. I'll see you next time.